I almost forgot. I promised a view of the new engine earlier. This is it right here. Um, it's a stock Mustang bottom end. Truck oil pan was installed. Brand new truck oil pan installed. Um, Motorsports valve covers that we cleaned up and just kind of redid. Like I say, we did do a 5-angle valve job and a mild port on the heads. Nothing fancy. Stock DuraSpark distributor that was recurved and tuned for this specific engine by RHS Performance. I'll try and get a link for those guys as well. Scotty does a great job, great job. Used him for several of my projects and does a real good job on these. So that's it. Got a brand new clutch to go in it. Um, New headlight buckets, turn signal assemblies sitting over there in the box. And we're also installing 2005 and up, I think, mirrors to replace the stock mirrors that were on this 94. So, and we will be doing an all new paint job on them as well. So stay tuned.